This is Jake Bazicki, and this is an ACT Science data interpretation question. Now, this question is asking us about the relationship between the densities of this material's solids, liquids, and gas phases. And if you aren't really sure what they're talking about, it's a good idea to read the question. This is a little bit of an interesting question that talks about phase changes and introduces a phase change diagram. And if you don't understand what that is, read this block of text here and it'll explain it to you. But the nice thing about this question is that you don't even really need to understand exactly what's going on. All we have to do is look at table 1 and look at the densities of the solid, liquid, and gas phases and see what the relationship is. And as we always do with these kinds of problems, we should go through each answer choice and see what makes sense. So answer choice A suggests that the densities of the solids are greater than the liquids are greater than the gases. And so if we look over at table 1, we see that the densities of the solid material are 10 grams per liter. The densities of the liquid are 2 grams per liter, and the densities of the gas are 0.5 grams per liter. 0.05 grams per liter, sorry. And so what we see is that actually as it goes from gas to liquid, the density increases, and as we go from liquid then to solid, the density increases again. So this seems to be accurate. Our next option, liquids are greater than solids or greater than gases. If this was true, then we would see that 2 would be greater, the density of the liquid, which is 2, would be greater than the density of the solid, which is 10. And so we can eliminate that answer choice. Similarly, for answer C, we can see that the density of the gas is not greater than the density of the liquid, so we can eliminate that answer choice. And we can, you might be tempted to say this answer is right, because you can see that the solids are greater than the liquids and the gases. But notice that here in the middle, this inequality suggests that gases are also greater than liquids, which we know is not true because 0.05 is less than 2. So we can eliminate this answer and go with our answer choice A as our final answer.